Let me show you how I draw this bar chart diagram in Origin Pro using two different colors and patterns. So let's get started. So this is the graph I draw using this data. So here in this book we have two columns. X-axis here we have years and y-axis we have number of publications. So you can change this data according to your requirements, right? So on x-axis you have to put the years and y-axis you have to put the number of publication or other parameters. So let's get started. So I have to select these two columns. Very simple. You see, I have to select. So when you select it, so at here at the bar, we have here the column plot or the bar plot. So you can also draw from here, or you can simply go, if this bar is not appearing in your origin, so you have to go to the plot here. When you go to the plot here, so here is a column here or bar. So column here, I have to click this one here. So you see that the bar chart form here, the column chart form here. First of all, I have to do changes with this y-axis and x-axis. So how we have to do changes? We have to simply click this one here. So we have to click this one here. So let me close this shape here. You can keep it open, it's up to you. Let me keep this close here. So you can also do this from title and format, but the grid line is the best one. So from grid line, here is the option opposite here. So opposite to horizontal and opposite to vertical and apply. Opposite to horizontal, opposite to apply. So it, you see now the shape is close here. Now another thing is, now look at the x-axis, the ears looks weird, so I have to change this. So from where we have to change this? We have to change this from scale here. Very simple. This means the horizontal start from 2008 to 2025. Now the increment is 1, so we have to make it 2 and apply. Let's see here. You see here, now it's fine here. But if you want to rotate this x-axis value, so okay, there is a thing here, the custom trick labels here. So this is now 0 here. Let's make it 45 and you will see the changes here. Very interesting. You can make it 90 here. People keep it 90 as well. 90. But I like 45. Okay, so far we are fine here. So let me click this OK, because I don't want to do any changes here. Now I don't want to put here year because it is by default year. If you want to keep it, put it, but I don't mind, right? And I want to make this bold here, so just select it here, go to bold here. You can increase here from here. You see, you can also change the font size. And similarly for y-axis here, I increase here, but on y-axis I have to write here. This means it shows number of publications, so I have to write number of publications. Good. And make it select and make it bold. You can also do this bold and changes from the keyboard here. Now let's bring this legend to the inside the. So when you select this and this green border appears, so this means you can drag it to anywhere, right? And also write here number of publication, because this shows number of publications. Very easy. Select it, Control A and Control B. So I can put it here. Now my figure looks good, it's good, but now you want to make it two colors and pattern. So now we have to click here on this. Now you see, when you click, so this all white dot appears here. So when you click here, so this box appear here. Now here are three tabs here. So the pattern, this pattern 100% related to this fill in border inside the graph. Similarly, this spacing, this label also. So now the border, I want to change the color like I show in my one here. That is, I think this one here. Let's see, apply. You see, and I want to make it like dashes or dots. Fine. And you can change the width here. You see, it's up to you here, right? Dashes. The border are fine here. Let's make this 1.5 because I like 1.5. Okay, fine. Here. Now so far we are fine. This is the preview here. You can see the changes also here. Now here, look here, the pattern. This is the fill color is red, but you want the pattern on the top of the bar here. So here none here, but if you want to apply here, you see now the pattern appear here. There are many good patterns here. You see, very interestingly, you can make this like border here, and you can make this a color of this pattern like we keep it white here. You see, white here. You can change the pattern width here. Let's make it 2 here. You see, it's look bigger now here. Very easy. Now let's come to the gradient fill, the two colors. So here in this two color we have mode here none. So let's make it 2-color here. So when you make it 2-color here, you see, and if you remember in my figure, we put here this color. So yeah, we already done the case here. Now the question is, you can change these directions very interestingly. You see now the type is there. Yes, and we can make any changes you want here. The transparency here and other parameters you want to change here, so you can change here. This is how we draw this diagram. So from here you can change this direction a lot, you see, but I myself I don't remember what was my color, but I myself like this one. I think, yeah, somehow like this one. You see here, and here you can change this medium to, you see, you can change to this one here, any pattern color you like, so you can change here. You can change this color, pattern color here. So any color you want, you can change here. Yes. You see here, very easy here, and you can easily draw and you can usually do changes using my techniques here. Now the second important thing is, if you want to do changes with the spacing here, so the spacing is mean the space between the bar here. So this means you can make it much thinner, you see, much thinner here. Yeah, but I always keep it 10 or 20 here. This is fine here. I think 20, 10, yeah, it's fine here, 10. Yeah, label here, label means that you want to display the value on this bar chart. Yes, so make it enable here. Very interesting here. You see, make it bold, looks beautiful. This is the perfect position I want to keep here. And if you want to keep it inside or center, so it will come to the center, you see. And here you want to keep it white behind these numbers, so you can also keep white. You see here, I don't want these whites, and I don't want in center, I want outside in. It looks good because it clearly shows the value here. This is how we draw this pattern diagram here very easily. So I cover all these three here, so you can play with these values here to make it more beautiful. You can make it more beautiful than mine one here, but it takes time. You see here, my understanding is it basically takes time here. When you work with this, so it takes time. So you can make it more beautiful when you give time to these diagrams in these values here. Okay, so thanks for watching here, and I think I almost finished here. So if you enjoy, let me compare my one and this one. Yeah, this one is also look good here, almost same stuff here, you see. Yeah, I think this one is much better here. Yeah, this is almost I have done here. And yeah, one thing I left here, you want to do changes with this, so just click right here and go to property here, and you can bring this black line or shadow or whatever here, marble, like mine one is, I think, dark marble. No dark marble, I think mine one is the shadow. Yeah, the shadow. Yeah, it is that. So perfect, we almost done here. And this is how we draw a perfect diagram in Origin Pro. So I strongly recommend that you must draw your diagram using Origin Pro, not Excel or not LaTeX, because in Origin Pro we have a complete control how to draw diagrams. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my video, please subscribe to my channel, and please like my video, comment and share.